Finger tapping is a way to help students segment the phonemes in a word. Tap those fingers to your thumb. Say the sounds one at a time and tap that thumb. For example, try to separate the phonemes in the word shave. The word is shave. Sounds sh, a, v. Tap those fingers to your thumbs. Now let's try it with thrown. A consonant blend at the beginning of that word. Make sure to segment out each of the consonants. Throne, that fancy chair where the king sits. Throne, o, n. Great. Put it all together. What's the word? Throne.
Reading Universe is made possible by generous support from Jim and Donna Barksdale, the Hastings Quillen Fund, an advised fund of the Silicon Valley Community Foundation, the AFT, the Emily Hall Tremaine Foundation, and anonymous donors. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at RU Teaching. Reading Universe is a service of WETA Washington, D.C., the Barksdale Reading Institute, and First Book.
This is Reading Universe.